Yeah, they down with this. Because they down with this.
Boys final always a great spectacle for the teams that have risen to the occasion of making our finals here. As we see a little gap in the middle of the field, looks to his right wing. Kuapiro.
7 for St Bede, who might have set this one up. Yeah, we see him go in the back here and just a little flick. Tafiao now, what can he do? Fakes the right pass, goes short, tips on, tip on again. They obviously watched the Hamilton Girls High School team in that first half. Morgan Tafiao just fakes the sweeper, goes back to this left-hand side. We get a flick on, then a tip on. Nice catch. So far, St Bede's. Can they stop them now, though? Morgan Tafiao scoops onto the ball. Perfect timing. He's enjoying coming back to this left side, and that's why couldn't quite get the score. I think it might have been Brown. Trey Brown. See him here, just steps off his right foot. He's created their numbers, all the shutters. If you got the ball, we've seen 3 times now since this half started where there's been a turnover into that ruck. Nice sweep here from Mātakitaki. Comes back to this right-hand side. Went to throw long, throws into the channel.
Ki te anō, tēnei mahi. Looks like Mātakitaki just had incredible space and vision.
He didn't even take a step, did he? He almost planted his toes, caught the ball and just leant forward. He must be at least 7 foot tall. He stretches out to St Bede's, hits back straight away.
It seems like we've gone through the grind phase of the first half and the game has started to open up. Excellent hands there, as we can see on the replay. And we can see strategically the players trying to get to the side as they plant the ball. 1, to keep the ball safe. 2, to try and get the players to turn their back. There's still space out here. The players continuing on. It looks like another try is on the way for St Bede's.
They performed really, really well. This is their second try for this half. Oh, no look pass. Flick on, out to the wing. Chase down there from the number 8. Right, gets the ball back. Comes back to the middle though. Intercept. Is anyone chasing this one? There sure is. Number 5 from St Bede's coming across. Oh, that'll be, I have no doubt. Will it be? Oh yeah, I think referee Forrester could clearly see the obstruction there.
Te kēmu, aha kua rere. Me te mata anō pea. Tēnei kēmu, ki te whai piro anō. Here we go, Westlake hands going, but...
Yeah, not entirely sure what happened there, but as you were saying, Harley, with there being 3 penalties in a row on the scoreline, St Bede's now down to 5. It's going to be a big task for them, particularly when Morgan Tafiao, stayed on. They go to the short side, steps in. It's only a matter of time.
We'll have another look on the Bunnings Warehouse replay. The 2 strike players working together in action with their player advantage, just understanding the space available.
Sitting in here behind their box, we can see the boys are so keen. They want to be out there. He's done this well, has right. Getting extra yards. Again coming across though.
Koia te mahi māminga, a Tom Robertson. Kuapiro.
Ezra Morgan Tafiao was on the field miles before the substituting Westlake player was. But does it matter? No, it's... Oh! Ooh!
Taihora.
Oh, game over. He's seen the slam dunk. I thought it might have... What happens? Oh, no, gets it down easy. Definitely wouldn't advise it, but it doesn't matter because Daniel Davis gets the 1 touchdown that counts, that takes St Bede's through to become champions and gold medalists, the number 1.
Down with this.
You try, but you can't see me.
'Cause I'm down with this.
Whakarongo and you know.